What y'all want for those? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're tuning in. I appreciate y'all are here. But I'm finna go participate in a 65-mile yard sale. It's called the High Cotton Yard Sale. It starts in Camilla, Georgia, and goes all the way over there to Fort Gaines, Alabama. And I'm gonna see how many knives I can find to repair. Gotta get some go-go juice. Big truck's thirsty. Just found the first yard sale. Let's go over here and see if they got any knives. You got any knives, man? No.
Yeah, we sold out on last year, man.
Really?
Yeah.
Nothing at this one.
How are y'all?
Hey, how you doing? Y'all got any knives or anything? Struck out again. My goodness. Oh man. That smells so good. Do you know of any knives or anything? Does anybody have any pocket knives here? Okay. Check out all this old wood here. Check it out. Nice thing. Y'all have any knives or anything? Some pocket knives? Okay. Good morning. Y'all have any knives or anything? Some pocket knives?
No pocket knives.
Okay.
No.
All righty. Well, we thank you, ma'am.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Appreciate it. Nice tractors. I have a thing for old radios.
I heard you.
Hey, is this y'all's here?
How much?
Oh, yeah, it's mine.
What do you?
$5.
Will you take 3?
Well, it's got a new battery in it and everything. It works perfect. It's got a cord in the back of it. It'll plug into the wall.
Wow, I'll give you 5 then.
Yeah, it works good. Try it out.
Okay, sounds good.
And it's got the AM, FM right there. Switch, you know.
Yes,
it's got an earphone plug right there. This is a Hong Kong, made in Hong Kong now.
Okay, wow.
And in the back of it here, you got a cord you can plug in the wall. And there's your battery right there.
Awesome, bud.
It's pretty cool, man.
There's your $5.
That's probably not early 1970s or something.
Yep, yes, sir. I love these things.
Yeah, they're neat, man. It's a lot for you.
We appreciate it, sir.
No problem. Thank you very much.
I'm looking for some pocket knives that need a repair. Do you have any?
Nope.
All right. We thank you, ma'am. We're inching our way closer to that knife. I know we are. Probably done hit about 6 of them. Struck out every time, but we're gonna find one. Nice old axe head right here. Nice axe head. Check that out. So oil can. Are you sticking the oil can? Nice cooler. Meat grinder. No knives. No knives yet. Pretty cool. We're in the town of Morgan, Georgia. I like those license plates. Nice set. Oh, look at the knife. Can't. I think it's a Camillus. And it is a Camillus.
Yeah, it's like mine.
Just needs to be cleaned up. New handles.
Right.
Case, double check.
This is a, when you had the old house that you see in the attic, blue, that's what that was.
Another case. Broken tip. My kind of knife. 92. Queen right there. Broken tip.
Look at that. Thing, it's got crooked now.
Cutmaster. Broken spring. These are nice knives to find too. Okay. I'm getting a bundle together. Right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Give me the money back.
Little Camp King. Needs to be cleaned up.
Yes, and the ball.
Whoa.
To help that product.
Fisher Boy Scout of America. This is such a cool find right here. Western. That is going to be such a cool restoration right here, y'all. That right there is what I was looking for all day long. Something like this. What you want for all this, bro? What y'all want for those? He said 15 on that one, which I understand that, but a lot of them are just broken.
Yeah, that's why we throw them in that thing. Like this.
Yeah. I just thought that was pretty cool.
It is. I use them at home, boy.
Yes, ma'am. But like a lot of them have broken tips.
Yeah, we didn't bring all the
Good stuff. This is what I look for, though. I love this kind of stuff here. You take 20, 25 for it all?
Let's see. I'll do 30 for all of it.
How about 28?
All right, we'll do it.
28.
Find your bag.
All right. See, I bought this at the Georgia Bushcraft, Colorado Bushcraft. He was all the way from Colorado, a really nice guy. I bought this from him. It's a wax bag. It's weatherproof. That's what I put my knives in when I find them now. So I won't have to tote them all in my pocket or a plastic bag. But it's a great handmade knife. Y'all check him out. Colorado Bushcraft.
Can I help you?
Are you waiting on? Yeah. I want some of that famous Brunswick stew.
Would you like an 8 ounce, a little cup, or a tea cup?
I will take the 16 ounce.
Okay.
And a sweet tea would be good.
She got 6.
Brunswick stew on white bread. Can't beat it. Dickey, Georgia. Famous Brunswick stew. I don't know what year this is. What you want for the deer antlers?
1 for 10 or 2 for 15.
Okay. I'll look at them. All right, here you go. We thank you, man. We thank you. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys, I'm shop till I drop. We already did all that we're gonna do. We're gonna head back home, but Morgan didn't disappoint. I found some great knives, and I'll be going over all those here real soon when I get back to the house. So, see you then. Okay, guys, we made it back home safe and sound. We're gonna go over the knife haul real quick. This is a Case XX 92. It's got a little bit of a snap, but not much. But it's got a broke tip. We're going to fix that tip and put us a leather strap back here. Clean it up good. It's a good little knife. It's probably one of the cheapest knives Case puts out, but it's still a good little knife to have. This here is a Camillus, but it does need handles, of course, and it don't have a punch blade. It's got a pin blade, but they started using this stamp tang in 46. I forgot when it ran through. I think it went through 56. I'm not sure, but overall, you know, it's in pretty good shape. It's got brass liners. The blades seem like they're gonna have good snap. It just needs to be cleaned up. And that's it. A good little camp knife. But I found it. This here, I couldn't tell what it was. I even sanded that down. It's just too pitted to even tell. But it's a good little knife. I hated not to buy it. It's got leather handles. Got a little brass guard right there. This one here is a queen with a broke tip right here. That queen. The handles are bone. The blades have great snap. This blade looks like it's been broke too. But still, it's an old queen. It might not be. I can't tell if that's been broke or not. I'll have to research that to see if that's the original blade. But Might be the original blade. Y'all let me know if that's the original blade there. It looks like it. Just don't look to be ground down or anything. So it just might need to be cleaned up. This tip come from here down. It's gonna look good when I'm done. A good little knife. This here's just a regular old Camp King, cheap camp knife, but for some reason I can't pass them up. It's got something on here, diamond edged. These things are just real cheap camp knives is all they are. But I couldn't leave it in the box, especially it being in pretty good shape. It just needs to be cleaned up. This one here is a Cutmaster with broken springs, but I think I have a Stockman that the springs might work because the blades appear to be in pretty good shape. See that? See how the blades are? Great shape. The handles are in good shape. All it needs is a couple of springs. See, that spring's going to be a problem right there because it loops all the way around. But we might have one. We're going to check, but I'm going to have to take that pin out to get this spring out. That's just part of it. So we'll try that here in a few weeks. Not a bad overall knife though. This here is just a Camillus electrician's knife. But it's definitely a parts knife. This here is a parts knife too. But I couldn't leave it there. This is a 86. And this one here is a J Martini. The sheath's in great shape. Overall's in pretty good shape. It's just got a broke tip right there. I'm gonna redo that tip. I always pick these up when I can. And this one here is the find of the day. This is a official Boy Scout right here of America. It's a Western, Boulder, Colorado, made in the USA. And the model number is L66. It used to have a leather handle. And I'm going to be putting deer stag on there. Can't wait to do this project. And eventually I'm going to make a leather sheath for it. And look how they did the pommel back here. They got it pinned. I thought that was pretty neat. The blade's in great shape. I'm going to put a nice new edge on it and clean it up. It's going to look really good when I'm done. That right there is a knife haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had a ball. I love going to flea markets and yard sales and pawn shops just to look for these types of knives. Well, anyway, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. Appreciate all the support. And say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.